Greetings and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to theme iOS 15. In order to follow this guide, you will have to be jailbroken. The jailbreak guides are in the description. So, first of all, open Celio. Go to Sources, and here you'll have to add this source, sparkdev.me. To add a source, hit this plus button, type the source here, and hit Add Source. Now open this source, go to All Categories, and here search for Snowboard. Now simply tap it and hit the Get button. Now hit Queued and click Confirm. When this is installed, hit Restart Springboard and Snowboard is installed. Now to install a theme, go to Celio again, go to Sources. For this demonstration, I will be using a completely free theme. You can get it from the repo.twicd.com. Open this repo, go to All Categories and type here Twisted. Open it, click Get and wait for it to install. Now hit Done. Now go to Settings, scroll all the way down and you will see Snowboard here. Click Select Theme, click Enable and click Apply the changes, and now go home and your theme is applied. That's all for this video, guys. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye.